Hi everyone, so welcome to the video. So this is going to be a different video compared to the other on the channel. So today I'm going to try to document the process of me trying to build my own website. So yesterday, me and my friend was talking about the ideas that we wanted to build some things that can be useful for students. And yep, so we list a bunch of ideas and then we select one of the ideas. And the idea of that we are trying to build and the website that we're trying to build is inspired by one of the YouTuber so that we came across. So it was him, he building his own website. It's called ratemydorm.com that allows students to rate their dorm within their university. So we wanted to do something similar to that, but we wanted student to rate university, and we're not gonna call rate my university. I think the domain is not exist. So we're gonna call it rate my sala. So sala in English, so sala in my mother tongue, it means school. So yeah, so that's why we can say rate my school or rate my sala. So yeah, so let's see how it goes, and hopefully it's going well. So yep, so let's go. All right, so for tech stacks, we're gonna use something really simple and something that we're comfortable with. So for front-end framework, we're gonna use Next.js. It's one of the best frameworks, React frameworks. And we're gonna use Tailwind. And for states management, we're gonna use React Query. So React Query did a fantastic job for managing the server states. And so we're gonna write everything in TypeScript. And then we deploy this one into a cell. So this is the front ends only. And for the back end, we're not gonna use write our own any codes about it, so it's gonna take a long time. So we're gonna use tools called Supabase. So if you don't know, Supabase is kind of Firebase alternative. That's what the marketing say, and I have used it with my other project. It worked really well, so I'm gonna use it in this project as well. So yeah, so this is the tech stack that we're gonna use. And all right, so let's start coding. So I have created Next projects already, so this is just a boilerplate from Create Next Apps. And so the problem that we are facing right now is not about writing the code, it's about what is going to look like our website, like the design, the UI. And that is the challenging part, because me and my friend, we are not the designer. So it's going to be really hard for us to actually do it. So right now I'm trying to do the design. So all right, so first we're going to try to design, and so let's go. All right, so for the design, so I just kind of get inspiration from the website. So I'm going to a website called Dribble, and then I'm searching for anything that related to what I wanted to do. So right now I'm trying to find the UI that I like the most. And then after that, I'm gonna try to take a bit of that, take a bit of this, and then try to make it as my own version of that. All right, so right now, as you can see, I'm trying to draw the wireframes of this one. So this is that I have in mind. So this is going to be the list of the school. And so we add the logo of the school, name of the school, and then a bit of description of the school as well. And then so we have the rating right here, like the overall rating of the school. And then so how many reviews that we got on each of the review right here. And then so then we're gonna have a now bar, and then I'm not sure like if I'm going to add a footer or not. If I do, I'm not sure like how it's gonna look. I think I'm gonna leave it as it is for now, but I'm sure like when we write the code to implement this one, if I write the code here, the footer should be something. But yes, as of now, I'm gonna leave it as it is for the homepage. And then so let's try to so let's continue trying to working on the other pages. So when the user click here, it's going to be going to each of the university page. So it's going to have a list of all the review. So the other thing that I like to do is I like to draw the UI on the paper. So it's gonna be quick sketch, and then you can see it really fast on what it's look like and what it's feel. Alright, so right now I have drawn something that's, I'm not sure if you see, something similar to this. It's really ugly, and I know that. But yeah, it kind of translates my thoughts into the paper, and we translate so that I can see it's better. So I have a better ideas on what I wanted to, what I wanted to be look like. And then yeah. So right now, let's try to draw a wireframe of this one on the larger screen. So for example, we have these things right here. So I should use something. I should use Figma for this, and I know I should. Alright, so I think I kind of complete what I wanted to look like. So as you can see, so this is the homepage. So when we click on each of the school, we go into this page. So you can see the top right here, I get the inspiration from this one. Or I can say I copy from everything from this one. And then, so for this UI right here, it was slightly a little bit different from this. I don't like this one that much. Yep, because I don't have total, like, you know, like the data to display this one. And so, and since the name and the icon right here is going to be enormous, so we don't want a student to expose themselves when they rate their school, so we want to keep it enormous as possible. And yep, so this is the UI of this one. So I guess that's pretty much it. And then for the next thing is we going to do is we going to try to create the place where you can add the rating. So how the place where we're gonna add this one, and also the sign-in page as well. But for now, I'm gonna leave it as it is first. I'm not gonna working on it. So I'm trying to code this one, and then let's see how it's look in the actual page. So right now it's kind of blank, and then we have to code and see if this is something that was good to see or not in the code. All right, so let's code now.